Today I'm going to tell you and show you a very interesting thing. Have you ever seen a spreadsheet by Excel replying to client emails automatically? It sounds somewhat strange, but we did it. Okay, so let me show you a simple idea here. This is just a normal spreadsheet where we've written down some common questions that clients usually ask, things like GST, income tax, TDS, company law by ROC, GST registration, audit and accounts, NRI taxation, LLP and partnership, advanced tax and penalties, international tax, GST, ITC and refunds, miscellaneous CA topic, stuff like that. Now, normally whenever a client sends an email with one of these questions, someone in the office has to open the email, check the details, and then type a reply manually. But instead of doing that every single time, what if we just organize all those answers in a spreadsheet like this? Then our AI system can read this data, and whenever a client asks any general questions, it can automatically send the reply from here. Okay, now on the other side, let me show you another spreadsheet. So usually any CA firm will maintain something like this, a client services tracking sheet. It contains information like GST filing, ITR, GSTR, company registration, basically all the services they're handling for different clients. And if you look here, we have columns like service ID, client name, client email, service type, service status, assigned employee, submitted date, due date, and remarks, things like that. Now, this data is normally entered and updated by the CA employees. But what usually happens is clients keep sending emails asking, what is the status of my GST filing? Or is my registration completed? Then again, an employee has to step in, open this sheet, check the status, and manually reply to the client. But imagine if an AI system could read this spreadsheet in real time, and whenever a client asks about their service status, it automatically finds their record and sends the correct reply. So now our AI system is not only answering general FAQ emails, it can also read this client service status spreadsheet and automatically respond to clients with the latest updates. Okay, so this is the automation workflow we built. First, the system reads the unread client emails coming into the inbox. Then it gets the access token so it can securely interact with our AI services. After that, the AI analyzes the email and understands whether the question is related to general FAQs or client service status. Once it finds the answer from the spreadsheet data, the system automatically sends the email reply back to the client. And if the AI cannot find the correct answer, it will automatically raise a support ticket so the team can handle. Okay, so these are a few sample email queries which I have written to demonstrate you. We have an existing client asking about ITR filing status, a new client asking about GST notice reply, and another general question about the GSTR 3B due date. Now, what we're going to do is, in a few seconds, we'll send these emails to the CA firm inbox as if they were coming from real clients, and then we'll see whether our AI system automatically replies to them or not. Okay, so now what we're going to do is a small real-time test. So let me just copy these questions, paste them into the emails, and send them from the 3 different accounts. To make this more realistic, we're going to use 3 different email accounts, just like 3 different clients sending emails to a CA firm. And we'll send all these emails to a single inbox, which is the CA firm email, ram@nivrittis.com. So right now I'll take the first query. This one is from an existing client asking about their ITR filing status. I'll copy this message, paste it into the email and send it to the CA firm inbox. Now let's move to the second query. This one is from a new client who wants to know what documents are required for private limited company registration. Again, I'll copy the message, paste it into another email account and send it to the same CA firm inbox. And finally, we have a general question. A client asking about the due date for filing GSTR 3B for this month. This is a very common question that CA firms receive quite frequently. So I'll copy this one as well, paste it and send it from the third email account. So now we have sent 3 different emails from 3 different accounts, all going to the same CA firm inbox. And once these emails reach the inbox, our AI automation workflow should automatically read them, understand what the client is asking, find the relevant information from the FAQ or the client service data, and generate the appropriate reply. So now let's wait for a moment, and if you observe here, CA firm received all the emails from the clients. It's been 1 hour. Let's see whether do we got 3 reply or no in all the 3 accounts. Here's the first one. This is the ITR status query from an existing client. Now normally an employee would have to open the client services sheet, search for the client record, check the service status, and then manually write the reply. But if you look here, the AI system has already generated a response automatically. And the interesting part is, it's not just a generic reply. It actually reads the client service data from the spreadsheet and gives the correct status to that specific client. Let me open the spreadsheet for a second, and if you check the client record here, you can see the service status and details match exactly with the response that was sent. Now let's check the second email. This email is a general FAQ about the GSTR 3B due date. The system immediately picked the answer and replied to the client. And finally, this one is a new client asking about GST notice reply. Again, the AI has automatically responded using the FAQ knowledge we stored in the spreadsheet. So as you can see, the AI is not only answering general FAQ questions, it's also reading the client service status from the spreadsheet and sending accurate responses automatically without any manual work. You can also try and ask any query to this emails ram@nivritis.com. In 1 hour, you will get an instant reply. Thank you for watching the video. If you are interested, please direct message me or comment in the post.